How to create guest account on Android. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your Play Store. You will need this app here in settings for Android. Search for the app and then download this app. After you download it, open it. You can see that I have already downloaded this app to my device. After you open this app, you can see this kind of options. Now at the top, you can see that search bar. Type there multiple users. Now turn on this icon. You will see this option of add guest. Tap on this option add user. Tap on OK. Now set up your name for the guest account. Tap on OK. It is in the process. Now tap on setup now and it will just turn into the guest account. In this way you can easily create guest account on Android. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.